Hello everyone, I am Hadiana, and today I'll be explaining Additive Cipher with Java. So first of all, let's see how it works. Additive Cipher is very easy. We have the key. Let's say I set the key to 3. You can set it to any number. For encryption, we will use this rule. For decryption, we will use this rule. So let's say, for example, we have word hello. We want to encrypt it, right? Hello plus key more 26 will give us the encryption word. So let's say H. H is 7 plus key plus 3, 10. More 26 equal 10. So we have K. E is 4 plus 3, 7. Mode 26, 7. And same with the rest of the letters. So we will get the encrypted message as KHOOR. For decryption, we will use the same. Instead of plus, we will minus ciphertext minus the key. So K, for example, we want to decrypt K. K is 10. Minus 3, 7. Mode 26 equals 7. So we will get H. Now let's explain the code. Let's see how we write the code. So I have only class Additive Cipher. Let's add the main method. Public static void main. Let's add scanner so we can get user message equal new scanner stem.in. Okay. Now let's ask the user to enter a message. Please enter text to be encrypted. String plain text equal in next line. Now let's get the key. So system.out.print please, let's say, enter the key. Now int key equal in.next in. Okay. Now let's create the encrypt method. Static string to return string encryption. Here we will get the string, let's say text, and int key. Okay. For now, let's return something to avoid the error. So let's say string encrypted text. So for int I is equal to 0, I is less than text dot length I plus plus to get letter by letter and encrypt each letter. So first of all, we will get the first letter. How we will get the first letter? Car, let's say A. Text dot car at I. Okay, so first time I is 0, we will get the first letter from the text. Okay, now let's convert it to integer so we can add the key and mode it with 26. Okay, so int car, let's say num equal, we will convert it, we will downcast it to integer A plus 97. we'll say minus 97. Why? We are downcasting it. This will convert it to ASCII code. Now ASCII code starts from 97. We don't want 97, we want A to be 0. So minus 97, we will get A0, B1, C2. Okay, now let's use the role. The role is encryption equal to P plain text plus key mode 26. So say int B is equal to num plus key mode 26, right? Now let's convert it to char and store in the encrypted text. Okay, A is equal, we will downcast it again. Here I'm using plus. Again, it's ASCII code, as it doesn't know what is 0. So for example, if you have 0, but in ASCII code, we will make it plus 7 so it knows it is A. Okay, then stored in the encrypted. Okay, let's see if it works. We will print it. Print encryption. Our text is plain text and key. Okay, let's run. Please enter text. Let's say hello. Enter the key 3. Oh, let's return the encrypted text. Okay, run it again. Hello, key is 3. We have a small error here. Instead of using char num, we will use B. We made it B, right? Okay, let's see again. Hello, key is 3, and we get encrypted message as KHOOR. Now let's do the decryption. I'll copy paste because it is the same. We'll use decryption. Decryption, we have here, it is minus. It is the same, only this will change. Okay, and you'll say decrypted text. Okay, now let's see if it return it to original word. System.out.print decrypted. Let's start this one. String ink is equal to okay. Now we are encrypting the text. Here we have the encrypted text. We are sending it to decryption method with the key, and we are printing it. Let's see if it print hello. Okay. Hello, enter key, hello. We send it to encryption method. We get the encryption as KHOOR. We send it to decryption. It returned to the original. If you have any question, let me know, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.